This last story for me, Will, is it's just an attempt to put things in perspective for those of us that feel a certain way on a daily basis, that feel our problems are larger than life, that feel that the human problems of the world are the be all and end all of existence.
You go to this site for perspective.
Yes, come here for perspective. Scientists, astronomers have discovered, astronomers are scientists, aren't they? They discovered a black hole, an enormous black hole. How about a black hole 34 billion times the mass of our sun? 34 billion times the mass of our sun, that thing that you look at in the sky that powers everything.
Good.
Yeah. And I don't know if you know about what black holes really do. They gobble things up, and this one is gobbling at a fairly rapid pace. It's a hungry black hole. This one is gorging nearly the equivalent of one sun every day. That black hole's eating a sun every day. That's just a
tasty meal.
Yeah, that's just breakfast. Just eating the sun every day, and we're over here bickering with one another on planet Earth. You said what? No, you did. No, I hate you. No, you're dead. You're canceled. Get out of my face. Black holes off in the distance over there just gobbling a sun a day.
Yeah.
It's such a crazy concept to wrap your head around. We're sitting here floating. It's also incredibly amazing. We're driving around electric vehicles. Black holes are up there eating things. And it's the stuff that we choose to bicker about is kind of wild. This is apparently an old thing, as it would have to be. And we're seeing it at a time when the universe was only 1.2 billion years old, less than 10% of its current age. It's the biggest black hole that's been weighed in this period of the universe.
Does it have a name?
Do they give names to black holes?
That's what I was wondering.
I actually don't see a name to it. If the Milky Way's black hole wanted to grow to the size of this one, it would have to swallow 2/3 of all the stars in our galaxy. Oh, man. The team, including researchers from the University of Arizona, used ESO's Very Large Telescope in Chile to accurately measure the black hole's mass. With such an enormous black hole, we're also excited to see what we can learn about the galaxy in which it's growing. Is the galaxy one of the behemoths of the early universe, or did the black hole just swallow up an extraordinary amount of its surroundings? We will have to keep digging in order to figure that out. So anyway, Will, I don't know about you. Some people look at something like this and they have a feeling of terror. They think, my goodness, getting gobbled up by a black hole. Who knows how this whole thing ends, seeing stuff like this. But it's a weight off my shoulders when I read something like this. It makes me do the thing that I started the topic with. It makes me think about how small we are, how small our problems truly are, and how when we think about trying to overcome complicated things, in the scope of complicated things, they're still barely complicated, our complicated things, because you have black holes out there eating suns for breakfast.